Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're gonna make Sfeeha or meat pie. It's a very delicious recipe. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. Let's see our ingredients. I'm gonna start with the dough ingredients. In this recipe, I'm gonna use 5 cups of white flour. But I'm gonna start with 3 cups. And during kneading, I'm gonna add the rest of the flour little by little as it needed. 1 cup of warm water, 1 cup of warm milk, half cup of olive oil, 1 spoon of yeast, and 1 spoon of salt. These are the ingredients of our dough. And now let's see the ingredients of the stuffing. 300 grams of ground beef, 1 tomato cut in small pieces, 1 onion cut in small pieces too, 2 spoons of tahini sauce, 1 spoon of pomegranate sauce, some seeds of pine, half spoon of Jamaican pepper, 1 spoon of salt, and half spoon of white vinegar. These are our ingredients for our meal today. And now let's go and see how to prepare it. First, we're gonna start making our dough. In the cup of warm water, put the yeast, mix it up, and leave it for 10 minutes. Add 1 spoon of salt on the flour and mix it up. Remember, I'm using here on the beginning only 3 cups of flour. The other 2 cups we're gonna add it during the kneading. Make a hole in the middle and add the olive oil, the yeast with the water, the milk. Mix all together. Then put it on the kneading machine. Leave it kneading for around 10 minutes. You can knead the dough with your hands too. During that process, go adding the 2 cups of flour that we left little by little. We want to reach to a soft, non-sticky dough. In a bowl, add a little bit of olive oil and put the dough on it. Whip it with a little bit of olive oil, cover the bowl, and leave it fermenting for around 2 hours. Meanwhile, let's do the stuffing. Over the ground beef, add the tomato, the onion, the tahini sauce, the pomegranate sauce, the Jamaican pepper and the salt, the pine, and finally we add the white vinegar. Mix them all together, then cover the bowl and put it on the fridge. After 2 hours, uncover the dough. As you can see, it doubled her size. First we're gonna do is take the air off from the dough by mixing it a little bit with our hand. Then we're gonna start cutting the dough in small balls, like you see in the video. Each ball of those is around 60 to 70 grams of weight. After you finished, cover it and leave it for half an hour. And now let's see how to stuff our dough. In a cooking tray, add a little bit of olive oil and start rolling the dough. You don't need to use the rolling stick. You can do it with your fingers, like you see in the video. After you finish rolling the ones that you put on the tray, add the filling. Each one is gonna take around 1 big spoon of stuffing. Try not to reach the edges of the dough. After you filling the dough, put it in the oven, lit from below on 250 degrees and leave it baked. When you see the edges of the Sfeeha being baked, turn the heat from the top and leave it for 2 minutes to bake it from the top. And this is how it look after we baking it. We usually eat it with a plain natural yogurt or tomato salad. But you can eat it however you like. That's all for today, my friends. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and bon appetit.